All right, here we go. I have NetBeans in front of me. You could use IntelliJ, but in this project, I just like to use NetBeans for Java because the JFrame is so much more easier to manage. Okay, so I have NetBeans in front of me. The first thing you want to do is to create a new project, and you choose Java, and then let's call that uh, it's Yahtzee. All right, you would want to uncheck this box because you don't want to create a main class and then finish. There you go. We already have it. This is our package, our project. And then in source packages, you would want to create a new Java package. Uh, what's the name? It's Yahtzee, right? It's Yahtzee. The thing with the packages, you would, I think it's almost like it's a rule that you do not want to use any capital letters. Everything has to be small letters. So let's do that. Finish. The reason I don't really understand either. And then and then right away we can call the JFrame form. New JFrame form. Sorry. Mm. It's Yahtzee. And then finish. There you go. The thing about this is that it is a canvas. So when you run this, it will show you directly how the app's going to look like literally side to side comparison. So what I like about this JFrame instead of IntelliJ is that the drag and drop is so precise. For example, you can drop it here and it will stay in this coordinates. Here, 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 here. But with IntelliJ, I just delete that out. But with IntelliJ, when you drag something into the frame, it will somehow, like, I think they have by default settings their own coordinate set up. So when you drag something here, it will somehow end up in this very corner or in this very corner. Well, basically, it doesn't really drop in the exact coordinates that your mouse leaves it. And so, yeah, for that reason, I love to use NetBeans a lot more than IntelliJ. Okay, with Yahtzee, I think you have 5 dice, right? 5 dice. Let's use buttons to represent the dice. So this is button 1. Let's copy that into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You drag it here. Oh, that is so nice. IntelliJ, why can't you do this? Or maybe there is a way to do it and I can't do that. Because, like, legit, one time I just gave up on the project that I had to make an IntelliJ and create the JFrame in NetBeans and then copy paste the whole code into my IntelliJ just because it's a lot easier. Okay, enough intermezzo. So we have 5 buttons, and each button will represent each die. So for this, you would want to click on the button and then take out the text because we want the text to be the number that will randomly generate. So for that, we are taking them out first. Um, all right, nice. While we're at it, we can also rename. The thing is, this that we're doing is renaming the name of the components, right? While this is basically just taking out the text. This will come handy because we will call them out in our codes. So die 1, and so on and so forth until die 5. Die 2, die 3, die 4, die 5. Nice. And then we can also throw in the throw button. Sorry. Throw button, and then change the variable's name into throw button. Oh, for this part, I think I will just do the upper score part of the Yahtzee without the lower score parts, because I cannot record more than 30 minutes. But maybe in the next video, I'm just going to finish it off all at once. What am I gonna do now? Okay, this button will act as a clean button. Clean button. And this is also clean. And of course, you would want to have label here. Well, not of course, but it's just the way I like it. Label will act as score label. Oh, no, sorry. Score. And you would want to have it in center. Nice. And then score label. Name the components. Nice. So if we run this, oh, that is so, it's super basic. Well, I'm not a front-end developer, so there's that. Yeah, okay. What am I gonna do now? Okay, yeah, this is super basic, but I think it will do the super minimum, the bare minimum. There. So, what else do we need? Okay, what is it like? There are 6 score, right? For the upper score, one would be the aces, and then copy that into sixes. So 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 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 so. There you go. This would do. Now let's rename the button as well. Aces. Ugh, yeah. Forgot. We'll have to resize them again. Threes, fours, and so on and so forth. Fives, right? Yeah, fives. And then sixes. Let's do this. I think 3 is the larger. There's larger, so we. There you go. Fives. And then for each score as well. Here is good. Score. And put it on the center. Nice. We would also do the same thing. Copy them into 6 times. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're here. You're here. You're here too. You're here. And then, oh, sorry. Oh, what did I do? Oh, there you go. So, let's rename the button as well. Aces score. Button to score. Button 3 score. Button. I think I'm pretty fours. I think I'm pretty confident that we that we can finish it off in one sitting. Hopefully, sixes score. Nice. And then this would do aces label 2's label, so on and so forth. 3's label. Oh, sorry. Oh, it was 3's already. Then it's gonna be 4's. Label. There you go. 5's label. And 6's. There. Let's see. Ah, that's cool. That's nice. That's nice. Let's just drag it a little bit lower. What? Why? This is. Okay, but that's not what I wanted. Oh crap! Why did you do it like that? Uh, if that's the case, we can just put the final score here. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, if that's what you want. This is super unimportant, but this this bugs me. All right. If I put them back. Oh, okay. I don't know why that is. All right, perfect. So we already have our GUI. Then we can start working on the game logic. What do we want to do now first? When you play Yahtzee, when you roll the dice, you would get 5 different random numbers, and that would be in throw. So double click the throw. This is also what I like about NetBeans. Instead of you have to manually create the function or the method like rabbit, void, throw, button, yada yada yada. You do it by double click the components. 1, 2. Oh, that is so. That's so nice. It just saves a lot of time. Okay, what do you want to do? 6 different numbers, right? So for that, we have to generate uh, random numbers from 1 to 6, which is the each side of the die. Randomize. Then we use random library. Random, new random. When you have this red here, that means you would want to import whatever it is suggesting you see. So this will import random from utility libraries. But if you want to call everything in the utilities, including the random in it, you can also do this. Take out the random util.star, and it will call everything in the utilities, which is nice, right? Perfect. And then we can also start gathering all the G-buttons that we made. G-button, call them into an array. Directly here. Die 1, die 2, die 3, die 4, die 5. It means like you're calling them into an array called buttons. All right, the same thing. You would want to import the components and import, and the same thing if you want to if you want to call everything without specifically calling the J button or all the components within the swing, you take this out and then you replace it with star. Great. Okay, what else now? I guess we can start placing the random numbers into our buttons, right? For that, we can use for loop. For integer I equals 0, I is smaller than button's length. It will iterate all the buttons, and then I plus plus. Iterate by 1. We can directly place it onto our buttons. Then buttons I set text. Because here's the thing, random is integer, and then you cannot call this directly into the set text. So you have to convert that integer into the string. You can do that, or you can do this. You basically just put empty. This means like everything is a string. You convert everything into string automatically, right? This is a string, and then you plus whatever it is. In this case, we're gonna add the numbers. So set text string plus the random number. Uh, Random extent 6 plus 1. Hopefully I'm right. Okay, good. Nice. Nice. Let's try that. Okay, what is it now? Okay. Something is wrong with the loop. I did it before, but then I guess we have to like call the numbers into its own array. Okay, that's what you want. I don't know why. I still could not understand, but let's do what it wants. Die number, integer die number equals uint, and there are 6 of them. No, 5 of them. No, 6. No, 5. 5. Sorry. 5 different random number for 5 different buttons. So for that, die number I ouch. No, we cannot call this first here. Okay, die number I, then we have to initiate what is the die number. Die number I here equals to random. Next int 6 plus 1. Why 6? Because the number in one die are sixes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, English is not my first language, guys. Don't know if I even make sense. But I think this would work. One, oh, nice, nice, nice. Great. What do we want to do now? We want to be able to keep the number. So for that, we can start working on the each button. The same thing, like double click the button. So we make like if statement. I mean, it was so hard for me the first time I tried to code this game. I literally manually just put a lot of if statement instead of loop. My God, and I felt like I'm the smartest guy. No, sorry. Okay, what do we want? If die 1 is enabled, when you click it, you want to set into false or disable it. Then die 1 set enable into false. Nice. And then you would want to copy all the buttons, copy the logic to all the buttons. Die 2, die 2, die 3, die 3, die 4, die 4, die 6, die 5. If you want to beautify it, sorry, you could Alt Shift and then F. Alt Shift F. Nice. It's basic, like it's a lot easier for you to see if you have any like bugs or errors, like which if or like which line the error is at. Nice. Let's try that. Nice. Nice. So now what do you want to do is while it's enabled, if you click it, you want the number to stay in there, right? So that means we're gonna play with the throw logics. If buttons I is enabled, then do this. Otherwise, don't do anything. Alt Shift F. Nice. This would do. 1, 2, 5. All right, perfect. I think per turn in Yahtzee, you have 3 times throws, right? So let's make it into integer counter here. Row, no. Counter equals 0. No, we can actually just, okay. When you push the throw, the counter will add the stake by 1. Counter equals counter, right? And so, if counter equals to 3 already, sorry, then you would want to disable the throw button. Means like, hey, you're done. Like it's another turn now. Set enable into false. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And then when you clean it, you can basically a new turn. So let's start working on the clean function. Where is clean function here? Okay. First of all, when you clean, you will want to clean all the numbers, meaning we can copy all the buttons array as well into here. And then for loop them. For integer I equals 0, I is smaller than buttons length, what? And then I plus plus. Then just do this. Buttons, oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. Set text. Oh my god. There you go. Sorry, I just ate a lot. So my gastrointestine or whatever I call it. It's basically I burp a lot. All right. So all the buttons will be reset into having no numbers at all. Nice. And then for the throw button, we set them into enabled again. False. No, true. Because we want to be able to throw. 1, 2, 3, clean. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Wait, no, stop. Ah, okay. In the throw button, counter equals 0 again. 1, 2, 3, clean. 1, 2, 3, clean. 1, 2, 3, clean. 1. Okay. If uh, then here, the first time you click throw, the clean button, you want to set them into false. No, not set action. Set enabled. False. And then when you open it, basically it's open and close, open and close. 1, 2, 3. Wait. After 3 times. And then, what's the name? When counter is 3, clean button, set enabled into true. True. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Yay, nice. Okay. I guess, crap, I cannot record more than 30 minutes. So basically, this is what we are having right now. I'm going to start working on the scoring logic in the next video. But nice. 1, 2, 3, clean. 1, 2, 3, clean. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, bingo. No, shit. And then once I have the thing for the next video, when I have all the numbers I wanted to score, so I keep all these numbers, and then when I click the ace, it will give me the score, and then it will add total score. Then another throw. Okay, when I'm sorry for the clean. While we're at it, buttons. I set them into true. Oh God, almost forgot. 1, 2, 3. Clean. 1, 2, 3. No? Okay. Clean. Nice. Alright, I'll see you in the next video and we can start working on the logics. Thank you guys. Hi, hi.